you want a simple way to generate captions and subtitles and you want it to be completely free, you can try out Clipchamp. It is a video editor created by Microsoft. You can find all the links mentioned in this video's description. You can just search up Microsoft Clipchamp. They have a software available or a web app like this. If you want to do some simple edits, it's easier to use a web app. First of all, you need to sign into a Microsoft account. So if you do not have a Microsoft account, just create one using your Gmail account or other emails. Once you have created, you will come into this home screen where there's a lot of templates you can try and some extra features too. So what I'm gonna do is just quickly create a new video from scratch. Okay, and then I would like to import the media that I want to generate my captions or subtitles. So just click on import media, or you can just drag and drop the videos. And as you can see, once it's imported, you can just add it onto your timeline here. So easily just go to the right hand corner here called Captions. Just click on it. And it is going to use their in-house AI generator to generate the captions. So just click on try now, and it will say it's going to transcribe with AI. You can also filter any offensive language if you want them to include it. But it also has auto captions, highlights, and even remove silencer. So there are a few tools. So I just click on transcribe media. So it will transcribe whatever that is on the timeline. So it will take around 1 minute to generate my 20-second video of captions. So my video is around 32 seconds, so it took around that long as well. So as you can see, it has already generated the captions beside it with its timestamp. You can easily download the caption as well to import it to other software. I've always wanted to try authentic ramen. So please note that the free version of this web app has a maximum file limit of 5 gigs. It's based on your OneDrive. I always wanted to try authentic ramen in Japan to see what the hype is about. I went at 11 AM for an early lunch, and there were completely no line outside the Ichiran restaurant. Little did I know that there is a line. As you can see, the subtitles is already created and you can see it in the video. But right now, the subtitles is kind of plain and boring. So we want to enhance it a bit. So you can also click on the subtitles and change its font. So let's say I want a bigger font, or I want a specific font like Lato. And if I want to increase the size, I can also increase it. And also I can choose the color. So now I love yellow color. And if I can also go to advanced and any letter spacing to adjust it, or even line height. You can also change some of the outline to depends on how thick you want it to be. Shadow as well. Highlight is definitely the noodle. I chose the firmer kind of noodles which goes so well with the broth. But the meat here is a bit so if there's any mistakes, you can also edit it live here. So let's say I want the meat here and it just says meat hard. So I'm gonna just put meat here. It's a bit concerning. And you can just edit it within this tab. But most of the time I find it pretty accurate, so I do not need to edit it anymore. Alright, so once you're done with editing your captions, just click on export and just save it. And the maximum you can go for free is 1080p. But honestly, Clipchamp is a bit limited in terms of how far you can edit your captions. So if you want better captions, so if you want better looking captions, you can go to Opus Clip.